What's up, people? We are back with another video. We're still talking about this Senzo Meyiwa case. Today we had another delay, and once again the delay this time is caused by the state. Advocate Baloyi had 2 weeks to secure the witness, but he did not do so. You'll remember that the case was on recess for about 2 weeks, and then today Baloyi comes and say he's still looking for the witness that will testify about the tracker of that red polo which belonged to Longetwala. Come on, Bafethu. Baloyi had 2 weeks to make sure that the witness is in court today, but he did not do anything. He always does things on the last minute in order to ambush that defense. That's the only reason why he's doing this. And then Judge Ratha comes in and say, "Oh, I hear that Brigadier Kininda is writing exams for his LLP." And he asked the defense lawyers if it's fair for him to take. But come on now, Kininda is a man of his own. He's an adult. If he wants some time off, he can speak for himself, not Judge Ratha. So I foresee that we're going to have another delay, and this case will not be over even by June next year, because Judge Ratha is just incompetent. That's it. Kininda is coming tomorrow, but today Judge Ratha is already making excuse for him. He's saying, is it fair for him to testify and then go back to write exams? Who is Ratha to speak on behalf of Kininda? Clearly, Judge Ratha is on the side of the state. He's trying by all means to give them a perfect opportunity to spin their case and cook it more and bring more hogwash to the court. So now tomorrow I'm sure Kininda is going to come and say, can I have some delay so that I can finish my exams, as I will not be able to fully focus on one thing. So I'm very, very disappointed with Judge Ratha, because he's just interfering in this case. There was no need for him to speak about Kininda's exam and so on. It clearly shows that he's biased. And can you just imagine if the delay was caused by the defense? He would have gone on a rant for about 10 minutes and say the JP is not happy with this case progress. The JP is disappointed that the case is taking so long. But because the delay is now being caused by the state, he's quiet. He's even offering more delay for the witness to go and write exams and neglect the case. I feel sorry for the Meyiwa case, because they will not have justice anytime soon. I also feel sorry for the accused, because now they are in limbo, because they are not sure whether they'll be found guilty or not guilty anytime soon, because this case is dragging forever and ever. So I think tomorrow Kininda is gonna come in and just say, okay, my lord, may I please have some time to prepare for my exams, and can you please proceed with the case in December or next year. So this case is not gonna end at any time soon now. So just watch the space and expect more delays to come. But this is very sad by Judge Ratha. He's just interfering at all the times, and there's no need for such interference now, because we are almost at the end of the state case. By now we should be listening to Kininda's cooking and so on, and then the defense would have been ready to grill him once he has finished his evidence in chief. But now more delays. It's sad, really. Thank you for watching.